Hi guys, I'm Shahzad and welcome in lecture number 3rd. Today we are going to discuss about the tools which tools we are going to use in this series. It's totally depend upon you if you are using the Sublime or if you are using some other kind of IDEs like Notepad++. We also have a lot of IDEs available. It's totally depend upon you, but I always use the JetBrains tools. So let's discuss about the JetBrains tools. So this is the JetBrains. So they are providing the most popular tools ever. So if you are using the web development, or if you are, as you can see, these are the tools. These are the list of the tools they are providing. So IDEs, Accord and C-Line, DataGrid, Glon, a lot of things available here. So we are using the PHP Store because we are using the HTML and we are interacting with the CSS, bootstrap. So that's why we are going to use the PHP Store. If you are using the Sublime, it's totally depend upon you. Either you are using the Sublime or other kind of text editor, because this is the basic series. Or don't worry, we are going to cover some projects also, but we are starting from the zero, so that's why I'm saying it's basic series. So how can you download the JetBrains? So just click on this button to download or install the JetBrains tool. So I'm talking about the PHP Store. Okay, so as you can see, the lightweight smart PHP IDEs. You don't need to memorize each and every classes with bootstrap. PHP Storm provide you the classes hints out of the box. So they are giving you the 13 days free trial. If you are not going to buy this one, just click on the button to use your 13 days free trial. If you are a student, or if you're a teacher, if you're a faculty member, the JetBrains provide you the license, the free license or the education's license, absolutely free out of the box. So how can you apply? Just find the documentations of the JetBrains and follow the steps to get the free license. I have already downloaded and I have already installed the PHP Storm in my PC. So as you can see, this is the PHP Storm, and this is the, we are not going to use some other kind of tools. We are just going to use the PHP Storm for the JavaScript, for the CSS and for the JS. So especially those persons who are not familiar with the CSS, JavaScript and also the HTML, so I recommend you have to follow the prerequisite. Like you have to understand the basics of the web designing or the web development. I'm talking about the HTML, CSS and also the JavaScript. If you are not familiar with the HTML, then definitely we are going to use the HTML in this series. So if you are not familiar with the HTML, so how can you understand the frameworks? So how can you understand the advanced mechanism of the frameworks? Because we mostly use the HTML code in this series or in the framework. So that's why. Okay, I have just opened the PHP Storm here. As you can see, this is the projects, and I'm also using the PHP and also the HTML here. So this is the Twitter Bootstrap 4 version, and these are the Twitter classes. So we are going to cover the classes from the zero. How can you download, install, use the classes? So in the next lecture, we are going to download the Bootstrap 5 version in our projects or in our HTML file. So I hope you are enjoying this series. If you think we are doing good, feel free to share our courses and also the videos. If you think we have missed or we forgot something, please leave a comment in the descriptions below, so we can regenerate or we can create a video or a tutorial, a video for you out of the box. So guys, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and thank you for watching.